wonder girls get pretty too. I got a killer instinct, so be careful when you putting my name in your interviews. You wanna fight, you can knuckle back, but I'm from the South Bronx, good luck with that. Plus I'm 25 sitting on a couple sacks, and I gotta give people flip when I fucking rap. Hey yo, we're back to my night, right? I'm with a couple ladies, they looking right. Dark tints on the windows of the limo. Can you picture what my life like? Fly mobster, that's work, spaghetti bowls. I ain't trying to tell y'all what y'all already know, but just in case you all forgot, I'ma spell it out for you.
One time for you and one time for me. Sometimes it ain't, but this time is free. When you hear my voice, just know it's me. 'Cause I'm the realest on the NYC, and the realest on the NYC.
Until me, they ain't find my market yet. I'm not a rapper, I'm an English architect. Plus I got a little niche for picking the ill beats. No sleep, opposite of narcolepsy. Hey yo, my taste is absurd. Champagne spilling with a plate of hors d'oeuvres. I hear my favorite song on the radio, but I'm drunk so I make up the words. Yeah, and now I'm singing off key. Show up in the club, they don't need ID. It's about to go down, give me about 3, and I'll be standing on the chairs in the VIP. Yeah, hey yo, I'm young, I don't know rules. Real foul ass nigga, so old school. And I'm about to finish what's in my cup. Somebody please fill it up.